Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view cases here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing cases in Salesforce allows you to manage customer inquiries, issues, and even support requests efficiently. Cases are typically associated with the Service Cloud module, and for you to be able to view cases in Salesforce once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the Cases tab. You see this one? You can add this to the loading bar if you wanted. And if you don't have any cases yet, you might want to add the new one. All right. So for example, you can search in the contact name. If you have one, for example, we're going to be choosing John Amos as an example. Search an account, say for example, global media. Status is maybe on hold. Case origin is going to be like email. We're going to set this as like hi. Type is probably like a question. Case reason, user, maybe existing problem. Subject is gonna be this. Internal comments, you can put in the web email, web name, web company, and web phone. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. But we're going to save and create another one so we can view cases because we need one more case. Again, on the contact, click on John Amos. Account is going to be this. Status is maybe escalated. Case origin is from the email. Priority set to low. Type is going to be feature or question for now. Click on case reason. Maybe a complex functionality. Description is this. Click on save. Right, so these are gonna be all the cases that you have if you click on it. All right, case number this one and this one. All right, so these are gonna be your options. Number two options for you to be able to see your cases. I want you to hover to the setup option. There's gonna be a quick find search option here. Type in cases. That should contract roles and cases, and that would lead you to that option. All right, or go to the app launcher and type in cases. You see, it's under items and you would be forwarded to the cases right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.